Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So getting a payment failed error on Etsy can stop your order from going through even when your cart seems fine. The good news, most payment failures are caused by simple verification or banking issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the payment failed error on Etsy in 2026 quickly and safely. So the most common cause is incorrect card information. So verify card number, expiry dates, CVV security code, cardholder name. So go to checkout, re-enter payments details manually, and try payments again. Okay, so avoid autofill errors. Okay. You can also confirm available funds. Okay, so your bank may decline payments if balance is too low, daily limits reached, and international payments blocked. So check account balance, online purchase limits, and foreign transaction permissions. So Etsy sellers may be located internationally. Okay, you can also match billing address exactly. So billing mismatch equals payments failure. So make sure address matches bank records, postal code correct, and country selected correctly. So small differences can trigger fraud protection. Okay. You can also disable VPN or change networks. So banks often block payments when location looks suspicious. Before you try and turn off VPN, switch to home Wi-Fi or mobile data, and refresh Etsy checkout page. Okay, so retry payments normally after that. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.